Started walking towards him.
But that man was going up the stairs and they told him to, or going up the stairs, they told him to go up the stairs. They took off and told him to back up and And the cops are just moseying on over there like they don't give two shits. They're just like, yeah.
So apparently there's a, apparently something's going on. And the cops are, someone did something.
Some drunk guy, pretty much.
Some drunk guy talked back to her.
No.
They're walking like freaking turtles over there. They're thinking no shit.
You can't really show it too well because
Yeah, when you get that sticker on your car, or that decal on your car, or are you going to put it somewhere else?
I just wanted to stand there and look good.
They're making a lot of money for this.
what's that?
They make a lot of, because they're not getting paid, the cops are not getting paid by Factory of Terror. They're getting paid by the police department. So they're making like triple their regular wage.
I was gonna say it's got to be over.
The same as like, it's like the same as like school cops, like, or like cops that help construction companies. They get paid a lot more. So I think they could give less.
I bet they have a lot of fun out here, though.
Yeah, they could care less.
Yeah, the one cop was scaring people. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, one of them had like a the train horn thing and was running around scaring people.
He got that from one of our scare actors. So one of our scare actors usually carries it around in the parking lot and just blows it off in the parking lot. It's so bad.
It's not expected from the cop.
No. No.
I know it was me that happened.
You get the crap
If
scared
I
out
was
of it and you
thinking
turn
like
around and it's a
my
police
way, I'd be
officer.
doing that too.
It's like a double whammy.
Yeah, I'd be having fun. Like, yeah, this is good.
Well, I don't know what I caught,